Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. I'll be showing you some steps that you can use to hopefully get your Bluetooth working. The first thing I would recommend you do is go into settings, and right where you see Bluetooth, you're going to tap on that. And I would recommend that you toggle it off and on. By doing that, normally you will see the device pop up again, and then you will try to connect with the device. But if after doing that it is still not working, what I would recommend you do is press down on the power button, the power and volume button on the side of your iPhone, and then you're going to restart your device. You will see the option to restart, as you can see right there. And you will simply glide on slide to power off. If after doing that it is still not working, what I would recommend you do is come back into settings, and you're going to select Bluetooth again, but this time you're going to tap on the I beside a device, and you want to tap on forget this device, as you want to delete some of the devices. So you'll tap on forget this device to remove it from the Bluetooth list, and then you'll try again. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend you do, while in settings, you're going to scroll down and you want to select general. By the way, ensure that the device that you're trying to connect this to is in close range. But while in settings, you're going to select general, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on reset, and you would select reset network settings. Hopefully one of these steps were able to help you. If they did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.